Good evening everyone. Today is the day 2 of trying to improve my communication skills. Today is April 29th, 2026. I will start with my morning. I woke up at exact 5 a.m. I made my bed and read my book. I'm reading the book of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It was introduced to me by Sir Jim Rohn. Sir Jim Rohn helps me a lot. I listen his cassettes every single day. Every morning when I'm doing anything, and I'm just listening to his cassette. I am really focused on improving myself. That's why I'm doing this. My first goal is to improve my communication skills. So by reading books, listening to good cassettes, it also helps me to improve my communication skills. Also, I want to improve my public speaking skills. So every day I will tell and record myself. I will record myself every day. Sorry for the repetition because I'm still a beginner. So today I have so many mistakes at my work. But I'm ready to face the consequences. It is mostly 3 minutes, but I'm not done. I think see you again for tomorrow.